Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing the package that I am sending out to Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. I will link her channel down below. I told her that I would be able to find her some punches, the old school style, while I'm out yard sailing and at Goodwill's. I finally have enough to fill an entire priority mailbox. I wanted to share what I found for her. I don't recall all of the prices. Nothing was over $3. Most of them were between $1 and $2 each. So real quick, I'm just gonna go through and then I'm gonna get this packaged and shipped off to Sharon. The first thing is I found this Sizzix Big Sty. I have this one and I love it, so I thought she would enjoy this one. This is one of the old Martha Stewart Anywhere punches. So this comes apart and you can put it in the middle of a page and punch this shape, which is very cool. It's magnetic. I found this Old Star one and this heart one, this little music note, this larger music note, this apple one, and this is one of the longer ones so you could feed it onto higher up on the page. This one, I found this corner rounder. I found these unopened old school Cuttlebug embossing folders, and these are the small ones. They're very cool, and I have these already in my stash. Here's what the round ones look like. These ones don't have it on the back. I found this ghost, and this is the corner one. I couldn't find the edge, but you could still use this one on the corners. It's the spooky ghost. This is one of the old Martha Stewart ones, and I found, I believe this is the hot air balloon one. This ABC one. What took up most of the box, I found this circle edge punch, the Martha Stewart one, and it has all of the attachments. It came with this design, which is dotted diamonds. This one, which is fronts and dots. I don't know what that word is. This one, eyelet doily. And this one, which is the layered flower. It comes with the base tool that you could use all of these other pieces on to make these. And then it also came with the instructions to make all of these different items and how to use the tool. And I think she will really enjoy that. That is the punch haul that I picked up for Sharon. Sharon, I hope you like all these punches. I'm going to keep keeping my eye out for any other ones that I come across. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.